Hello everyone, thank you for watching today's video. Today we are going to be reviewing the Sunny indoor cycling bike. I recorded the unboxing process. It's time-lapsed, but you can see me put the bike together and all that. Obviously this bike is no Peloton. However, if you are just starting to get into cycling or you just need some sort of equipment to help you get through your cardio at home during this pandemic where all the gyms are closed and maybe you just can't get to the gym, this is a great option. The reason why I chose this bike rather than getting something more popular or more mainstream, more expensive, is because I'm not a huge cycling person. I mean, I just recently started getting on a bike this summer and then I kind of liked it and now I really like it, and it was inexpensive. So if, let's say, I don't use it as often, I'm not going to feel totally bad about it because it's not like I spent $2,000, $3,000 on this. So first of all, you can get the bike on Amazon. I got this one in Walmart because one, it was cheaper in Walmart than it was in Amazon, and two, if I needed to return it, I could always just return it at the Walmart. So I kind of just wanted to do this rather than me have to like return it by mailing it back. So let's get into it. The box is actually not that big. It's kind of small, but it is heavy. So you might need another person to help you get it into the... Building the bike was actually pretty easy. The instructions were very helpful, I must admit. They were a little confusing. However, if you've been on a cycling bike before or you kind of know like where things are supposed to go, then you really don't need the manual for it. The one thing I will say is you need to make sure that the bolts are screwed in very tight, especially the handlebars. So I pretty much built the bike in maybe 30 or 40 minutes. It was super quick. I'm going to start off with the cons so we can leave on a positive note. One of the cons is obviously this is no Peloton bike. I will repeat that. This is no Peloton bike. So the heart monitor and the calorie counter, it's not very accurate. So you might want to maybe have a watch or something if that's something you really need to know or you're interested in, then you're better off just calculating it. For me, example, I have my Apple Watch and I just use that for metrics. Number two, for the resistance, since there isn't anything telling you where the resistance is, it gets a little tricky and a little difficult when, let's say, if you're taking a class and they tell you, you know, put it up to 5 or put up the resistance 3 or something like that. You kind of just have to like gauge it and see what works for you. The third con is the bike is small and the bike is semi-sturdy. So I don't think that this is, if you're the type that you want to cycle and stand up and, you know, go super fast, then this is probably not the bike for you. I can stand up and get on second position or third position, but I need to use my core a lot to stabilize the bike. If I just rely on the weight of my body, it moves the bike kind of sideways. So just be mindful of that. For me, it works. It's fine. It does what it needs to do and it's perfect. I don't remember if it's a belt one or a different one. Either way, it's the one where it does make some noise. I know they have like a silent belt one. So it's not super loud. It's semi-loud. I am an early workout person, so I tend to work out around 5 a.m. and everyone is still sleeping at that time. So it was a little loud, or louder than I would like it to be, but it wasn't like crazy loud. So my husband said he could hear it from the room, but it's not enough to wake him up. So that's a good thing. But if, let's say, you have children, or babies that are sleeping or something like that, where you need to be completely quiet, then this is probably not the bike for you. Other than that, into my pros. 1, the bike was super affordable. 2, it came in a package that was easy for me to move from outside to inside the house. It was easy for me to build. And the size of it, it's just like the perfect size. It's small, and it fits in a little corner, and it's great to use that way. For the price, I mean, the bike is super sturdy. I can do a full workout on this bike, stand up, sit down. I can do it all, so it works. It's great. Overall, I am telling you, if you just need an inexpensive bike, something to get your workout in and just be done, if this isn't fully your thing, and you do foresee yourself maybe like some days not using it and some days using it, then this is the bike for you. If you have any more questions about the bike, please let me know. You can put it in the comment section, or check me out on Instagram. You can DM me. I answer all of my DMs. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe, like, or comment. I'll see you next time. Get your workout in.